Today we're going to look at some more affixes on page 33 in the Grab and Go. And we need to be able to use the affixes to figure out the meaning of words and then be able to build words that use these affixes in them. So we've already worked on non, un, dis, which all mean not, miss that means wrong, ly that means how, full that means full of. So we're going to move on to en, re, pre, pro. So en means make. So if we encase something, we are making it to be closed in. If we ensure something, it means that we're making sure that it happens. Re means again or back, so we could use review or reverse. And if we're reviewing again, we're going to see it again. And if we go in reverse, we're going backwards. Pre means before, so preview means to see before. So you could watch a preview of a movie before it comes out. You could preview a book by looking through at the characters and pictures. And pro means for. So when you proclaim something, it means that you are standing for that thing. So those are the four that we're looking at. En meaning make, re meaning again or back, pre is before, and pro is for something.